Hello everybody, this is Stephen from Rugged Routes. This is another quick tutorial on the Lowrance HDS7. Today I'm going to show you how to enable and edit overlays on the navigation screen of the unit. This will just bring in some information that we can overlay on top of our map that we would like to just kind of keep an eye on, such as maybe our voltage, how fast we're going, what time it is, and various other things. And even with the 0.1 Baja antenna, which connects through the NEMA 2000 network plug, it will actually also bring in our pitch and roll, which can be kind of useful in an off-road situation with knowing how far off camber you are or how steep of a hill you're climbing, basically functioning like an inclinometer. So anyways, to get started, you're going to want to momentarily press the power button, which will bring up the system controls panel here. And on the bottom left of this panel, you're going to want to make sure that you have that orange bar across the data overlay button. And you can toggle that on and off simply by pushing on that button. See, I push it and it disappears. I push it again and it reappears. So again, you want that to be enabled with that orange bar across the top. Now next you're going to want to go to the Edit Overlay button, which is just to the right of the previous one. And now we're in the Editing Overlay mode, where we can then select the Add button in the upper right hand corner and start selecting the different things we would like to add to our screen. So for instance, we'll go ahead and add the altitude, our latitude and longitude, and our speed over ground, as well as a few other things. Let me scroll down here. We'll add our time. And we'll go ahead and also add our supply voltage. It's always good to keep an eye on the voltage. So what we'll do is, once we have everything selected that we want to have displayed, we'll exit out of this box. And now just by touching on each one of these with our finger, we can switch which one of these items are selected. And we can also drag it around our screen and kind of reorganize things just so we can tuck things away in different places just to our liking. You know, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all personal preference. And our speed over ground we'll put up in the upper left-hand corner. And with that selected, with any of these selected, you'll notice that on the right side you have a configure option. So we'll go ahead and select that. And we can change how our speed is being displayed based on size or even the type of gauge. So we can switch from a digital display to more of an analog display, or we can even change the size of our speedometer. And I like to have it digital, so I'll switch it back to digital. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can kind of play with this and move things around the way you want them to be, but yeah, you can change the different sizes. Also, there's you can invert the text, just depending on which way is easier for you to read. And you can also put a background color in there if you really want it to stand out and you know, and view it that way. So it's all up to you on how you want to do it, but those are the different options there. Once you get everything set, you just push the back button in the upper right hand corner, and then you're going to want to click Save on the bottom right. And now you're back to your normal navigation screen. You notice that it's no longer showing that you're in the editing mode, and you know, you just use your navigation screen as normal, but now you have plenty of other information being displayed for you there. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching.